Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make tomato soup creamy. First, choose the best tomatoes you can find. Ripe, red ones are key. Roasting them before blending brings out their natural sweetness and adds a wonderful depth of flavor. This simple step makes a huge difference in your soup's overall taste and richness. To achieve that luxurious creaminess, consider adding dairy. Heavy cream or half and half are popular choices, offering a rich, velvety texture. For a dairy-free alternative, full-fat coconut milk works beautifully, lending a subtle sweetness. Even a tablespoon of butter swirled in at the end can make your soup incredibly smooth. Beyond dairy, several techniques help achieve a perfect consistency. Blending your soup until completely smooth is fundamental. For extra body, you can create a simple roux with 1 tablespoon of butter and 1 tablespoon of flour. Alternatively, adding a cooked potato or a slice of bread during blending can naturally thicken the soup without extra cream. Finally, taste and adjust your seasonings. A pinch of sugar can balance the acidity of the tomatoes, while salt and pepper bring out all the flavors. For an elegant finish, swirl in a little extra virgin olive oil or a dollop of crème fraîche. Garnish with fresh basil leaves or homemade croutons for a truly delightful bowl of creamy tomato soup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.